How to make alkaline water in order to fight fatigue, digestive issues and damaged cell. Maintaining optimal health is a multifaceted endeavor, influenced by diet, lifestyle, and environmental factors. Recent discussions in the health community have highlighted the potential benefits of alkaline water in supporting various aspects of well-being, including alleviating fatigue, aiding digestion, and possibly playing a role in cancer prevention. The human body operates optimally at a slightly alkaline pH level, around 7.4, though this can vary among different organs. Factors like diet, stress, and exposure to environmental toxins can shift the body's pH towards acidity, potentially leading to health issues such as fatigue, digestive problems, and even more severe conditions. Alkaline water, characterized by a higher pH level, is proposed as a means to counteract bodily acidity. It is believed that by consuming alkaline water, one can help restore the body's natural pH balance, thereby improving overall health. However, it's crucial to approach this concept with a nuanced understanding, recognizing that the body's natural regulatory systems typically maintain pH balance effectively. Homemade alkaline water can be prepared using simple ingredients. The preparation of alkaline water using a tablespoon of Himalayan salt, an organic lemon, and 2 liters of purified water, stored in a glass jar, represents a blend of ingredients each bringing unique health benefits. Himalayan salt, rich in essential minerals like magnesium, calcium, and potassium, contributes not only to electrolyte balance but also potentially to an alkalizing effect on the body. Although salts are typically neutral in pH, the minerals in Himalayan salt can help neutralize acidic compounds, thus contributing to increased bodily alkalinity. Organic lemon, while initially acidic, surprisingly exhibits an alkalizing effect post-metabolism. This is due to the body's processing of citric acid and other organic acids found in lemons. Additionally, lemons are a good source of vitamin C and antioxidants, crucial for immune function, skin health, and combating inflammation. They also aid in digestive health, stimulating the gut and improving nutrient absorption. Purified water, serving as the base for this solution, is essential for hydration, a fundamental aspect of all cellular functions in detoxification. Using a glass jar is a conscious choice to ensure that the water remains uncontaminated by any chemicals potentially leached from materials like plastic or metals. When these components are combined and allowed to rest at room temperature for 12 to 24 hours, the water absorbs minerals and compounds from both the salt and lemon, subtly elevating its pH level and making it more alkaline. While the pH shift might be minimal, the infusion of minerals and nutrients from the ingredients contributes to the overall health-promoting qualities of the water. For potential benefits, it's recommended to consume this alkaline water on an empty stomach, particularly in the morning. However, it's crucial to maintain a balanced diet and not rely solely on alkaline water for health improvements. While some preliminary studies suggest potential benefits of alkaline water, it's essential to maintain a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. Regular physical activity, stress management, and a diet low in processed foods and rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains are foundational for good health. Exploring the role of alkaline water in health maintenance is an intriguing aspect of modern nutritional science. As with any health strategy, it should be approached with moderation and in the context of a well-rounded health plan. For personalized advice, consulting with healthcare professionals is always recommended.